it will be the continuity. So we are continuing. So the today's no. What's up, YouTube? I hope you all are doing good. It's been a while since I uploaded the last video, and I also hope your winters went well and be ready for the summer of 2026, because it's going to be hotter than every year. Think so. It's already 37 degrees and it's just beyond Holi festival. So you can imagine the amount of heat the sun will give you in the last April and the starting of May. So let's talk about the destination we are going to explore today. So today's destination is going to be a part of our series Ghats of Narsinghpur, and today we are going to cover Samnapur. Yes, I think I spelled it correctly. We took a left turn after Gandhi Chowk and we are heading towards Samnapur. So you can see the sun is still so bright and shining so harsh, and it is already 4:44 p.m. So imagine the amount of heat you will be getting in the coming months. Be ready. This is the turn we need to take towards Chinki. This road will go to Ghurpur, but we do not have to go because we already covered in our past video. We need to follow this route. It will lead us to Samnapur Ghat. Chinki is 4.56 kilometers from here, and before that we will be getting a diversion. This road looks amazing, man. Just look at it. The fields and the trees and the road, and you just have to wait for the weather, for the sun to hit little bit at the horizon, and it will make a perfect weather. I think you guys will love the return trip also. So I will try to make a ASMR exhaust note video if possible. So stay tuned. And you can also give me suggestions for the video categories you want to see more and more, the motor vlogs or the camping videos or the off-roading videos. I can do all because I love all. See, these kinds of roads will make your mood go from this to this. Imagine talking to yourself here on your favorite bike and in your favorite weather, of course. Man, these twisties are amazing. You have to be little bit more careful because the people around here, the kids usually, especially the kids, they will be coming at the road at any moment. You cannot guess. So yeah, stay alert and ride responsibly. We are closing to the diversion. I guess yes, right here. This is the diversion we need to take. चिनिकी लिखा है यहाँ और यहाँ लिखा है समनापुर. यस, 2.115 kilometers. On this road I am coming after so many years because this ghat is not so much famous among us. I don't know what is the reason. You can see all the scenery, bro, amazing. You can see all the hills. We cannot call those mountains as they do not exceed the height limit to be a mountain. I can see the ghat from here, but I don't know which way to go, this way or this way. I think this is the way. Every kid just look at me like I'm an alien. I'm not an alien, bro. I'm like a kid like you who dreamed of being an alien. Okay, so that makes me an alien. See how they are looking at me. It's so nice. There's the Kirpani Bridge right here. डोगेश भाई क्या हो गया? यहाँ तो लोग गाड़ी धो रहे हैं यार. So this is it, guys. This is the Kirpani. No, sorry, Samnapur Ghat. चला फिर। पाँच बजे नहा लेते हो? क्यों 5 बजे क्यों नहाते हो? गर्म रहता है पानी में। जल्दी बैठो फटाफट। अब क्या हो गया? ठीक है, कल मिलते हैं ना। चलो राम राम। So guys, we have completed the visit of Samnapur Ghat, and as you can see it is still sunny, so we cannot stay for longer period of time due to the heat. So probably we'll be coming tomorrow or the next week and bringing our all the clothes and belongings so that we can take a dip in the river. Because I just love the ghat, because the water there was so smooth and it was not so deep. I don't know, I will be coming solo or with my friends, so let's see. Till then, so far so good. The bike is performing absolutely fantastic. Every time I see the sprinkles, I just remember my childhood days. I used to go to the fields and watch them endlessly. Only a 90s kid can relate that has lived in village. So this completes our journey to the Samnapur Ghat, and now we have completed 3 ghats, starting from Ghurpur to Chinki and to Samnapur. 3 ghats. Now we will be covering the 4th ghat, and that is probably Kerpani bridge. So below the bridge we can go and take a dip there. Many people go there on occasions, and every 15 days or every Sundays, whenever you want to go, you can go and have fun and enjoy your time. So let's wrap up the video. Oh, Nevla. Yeah. So we are wrapping up the video because we are taking the same route and there is nothing else to show you. If anything comes by, I will let you know. Till then, see you. Har Har Mahadev.